How to sell at Zalando. Visit the Zalando Partner Program website and sign up to become a partner. You'll need to provide details about your business and the products you plan to sell. Review and agree to the terms and conditions set by Zalando for its partners. Upload product information, including images, descriptions, prices, and availability. Ensure that your product data meets Zalando's standards and guidelines. Configure shipping and returns policies for your products. You'll need to specify shipping options, delivery times, and return policies. Integrate your systems with Zalando's platform and complete the onboarding process. This may involve technical setup and training on how to use Zalando's seller tools. Once your products are listed on Zalando, customers can purchase them through the platform. Monitor your sales performance and manage orders through the seller dashboard provided by Zalando. Ensure excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, processing orders efficiently, and handling returns or exchanges as needed. Continuously optimize your product listings, pricing strategy, and inventory management to maximize sales and profitability on Zalando. That's how you can sell at Zalando.